Hey, welcome back to Charlie and Mike Woodworks and Design. I am James. What we're going to do today is we are going to take the miter saw. Why am I saying miter saw? Table saw. We are going to take the table saw and take it off the rolling stand, right? Why? Because there is, literally, it's like, I believe that there's like a 4-inch, maybe 5-inch difference between the table saw height and the workbench. We have some 1/2-inch plywood, 19/32 actually. All right, that's about 2x4, which is perfect. And we're going to cut it in half, double it, use that as our stand for the table saw. We're going to go from there. We're going to make this happen. And you always want to make sure that you have all of your safety gear. Okay, we are at 48 inches all the way down. I actually got some scrap plywood, which is always fun. I'm not really building a clock on this one, like Matt Outlaw would say. I'm not really building a clock, so it's close. Yep. Perfect. Ran out.
First side piece.
And a half. Right. There. Okay. And a half. Our 33 plus another 16 is, what's it? And oh yeah, I got plenty. Oh, do. Easy peasy. All right. Now, I almost messed up. Actually, I did about halfway a minute ago. I actually I was putting the legs, I had them all the way down or up. And then I looked and I'm like, wait a second, that doesn't look right. That's because it's not right. And it's actually very, very sturdy. Okay, 2 down, 2 to go. And that's got a little bit, little uneven, but that's okay. I can fix that. No worries. So yeah, it's a little uneven, but like I said, we can fix that. Take these out, 1 or 2 of the bottom ones out, and put a washer in there. Okay, let's see. This might be all we need right there. That. Not gonna make a cut, but here. I mean, like literally right at a quarter of an inch, maybe a little less. We hit 1,000 subscribers back around Thanksgiving of 2024, and our goal this year is 5,000 minimum for all of 2025. We can do this. Again, I'm just trying to spread some love, spread some fun, remind people that it's okay to have fun. You know what? Life's too short for the bullshit. Charlie Mike.